All right, welcome back. So this is another challenge activity. This is lesson 20, collision detection. And this one's actually called debug, add points on collision. It says games often give you points when two sprites touch. This program does that. But notice that what happens to the score as the sprites continue to touch. Your challenge is to get it so only 1 point is scored. There are multiple ways to do this, but the easiest way is to move one or both sprites in a different direction, different location, right when the score increases. Okay, so we're going to run this, and let's see, where's our key up? So when we touch the coin, you can see the score goes very quickly here. There's a couple different ways to do that. In some games, you could do a wait here, and hoping that the character will move on. The other thing is we could have the coin move to a new location. That's going to be my idea for this, is to have the coin move. Or you could have this character move as well. But let's have the coin move because that seems to make it better for the game, since we're moving this with the arrow keys like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and reset this. And what we want to do is we want to add this in this. So if the ghost is touching the coin, the points are going to go up by 1, so that works perfect. Now let's change the X and Y locations for the coin. Now, what we could do is just set a number and say that it's going to move to the spot, but that doesn't really make the game playable over a long term. What we want to do is actually add some randomness to this. And so if we drag a random number into each one of these, every time that program runs through here and it touches it, it's going to generate a new number and allow that coin to move to a new location. And we could just use the entire screen. So we could start at 1, or even 0. Let's do 1 to keep it on the screen, and go down to 400 down here. And so anywhere in here, the coin's going to move. So let's keep that 1 and make this 400. And then when we run this, now the coin's right here. But if I move the character up and touch the coin, it's going to move to a new spot. So now this actually makes it a quite fun game because we can move over and touch the coin again. And then there. And then there. And so on. And so it makes the game very playable this way. Okay. All right. Hopefully that helps you with this. Kind of a shorter one. Hopefully this helps you. Good luck.